Hello, good afternoon. It's 2021, December 21. This is George speaking. We're talking about Baijian Compressor's history. Established in 2003, Shanghai Baijian Compressor Co. Ltd. is one of the most professional enterprises in manufacturing piston air compressor and screw air compressors. It is also one of the earliest who get production license. Baijian is our registered trademark. The main displacement of which range from 0.3 to 100 cubic each million, with the utmost pressure 3 MPa.